Alright, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute on our way to the 1 minute on the way to require monthly tests of the emergency alert system. Listen to the 105.3, the bone.
I'm gonna go howl at the moon. Don't need no.
Oh, here we go, Brian. EAS, emergency alert system. Here we go.
You never laugh at it, but if I
That seems the brook. Here we go. It's on 105.3, the bone. Here we go, Duchess. Listen.
Weather Hunter. Tuesday, August 19th, ending at 12. 57 a.m. Wednesday, August 20th. This is the Executive Emergency Alert System will broadcast stations and cable systems in Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Tested nurses provide warnings during emergency.
And also, the brook is a new voice.
Emergency, official information, news, or
And it's also a robot voice, too.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And now, moving to the robot voice.
Off the grid retreat.
Listen, honey. It's time for night. By your side or with Nicole, come up sponsor the next kid.
EAS ready to learn for info from the Department of Education, so contribute to public broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the government. EAS has newer IT
Okay, so I just sent some drugs to the miracle dude in there. He said you had cash. Wow, the kids in school. You haven't okay, that's it.
I think the... Here we go! And listen to this robot voice. That was the old skate zone this week. Listen to robot voice.
Nebraska at 10:57 p.m. on August 19th, 10:57 on August 20th, 2025. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for visible cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested at campus for ongoing work.
You found all the records. You only need to find one.
That, see, if that push up, that's the robot voice. It's not a human, it's like a machine. It's not real.
Do something nice. Really? You think so?
See? It's not real, it's a machine. Alright. Alright, that was Brian, the required monthly test of the robot voice.
Feel protected under our roof, so your family can dream fearlessly. Bundle life and save up to 25% on home and auto. American Family Insurance. Get a quote and find an agent at amfam.com.
I come from a mattress factory. We build all of our mattresses right here in all back the lifetime.
Excuse me.
Save now. Take $100 off and receive 2 free pillows with any mattress purchase.
Locally owned, comfort-made mattress factory, North 27.
Imagine being able to change the world by just being you. All the things that make you, you, could help with potentially life-changing research. Solarion, one of the world's leading clinical research organizations, needs healthy adults who are 19 to 55 years old for a clinical research opportunity. You could earn up to $500 a day. Overnight stays and return visits may be required. To learn more, call Solarion at 866-213-2965 or visit helpresearch.com/new.
These besties show off their brains. Is this up your alley?
We are dumber even than I realized.
And this comedy duo came to play.
No confidence. I'm trying to do like Vegas mind reading.
Well, I wanted to hear the robot voice.
It's the summer sales event with the Ford Queen.
The summer sales event.
Here we go, Mom. Oh, let's stop before this. Listen to this, not a human voice.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests.
Oh, wait, a little bit. Hold on.
What?
Let's stop for the. Let's go to Mom Dad's bedroom to listen to this robot voice.
2025. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, official information, news, or instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
See? That's a robot voice. That's a robot voice.
Okay.
It's not a human.
Is that a human?
It's like a machine.
Machine, like a robot.
Yeah. There. Do you like the robot voice?
Not really.
It's not human.
I know it's not human, baby. I'm gonna go get me my pop and I'm gonna go lay down, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Mom, for hearing the robot voice on the EAS.
What the hell do you think you're doing? Stop. Brian, this is your penis. Don't listen to him.
We'll add a king bed, custom wallpaper on the ceiling, and continue that same pattern on the throw pillows. In the bathroom, I see
That's not human. It's like a machine.
custom wallpaper and a funky mirror. The other bedroom will have color-drenched walls and
It's not real.
with floor-to-ceiling black and green.
Okay, bye. Excuse me.
So, hi folks, and thank you all for coming. I know this would have been a great day to serve. Anyway, this is the Hope.
Excuse me.
There once was a handicapped squirrel who could not climb trees to get food.
Interior designers that work for you. The neighborhood I
Okay,
grew
we
up
went
in
ahead and
has
just
probably
cleaned the
the worst high
carburetor
school.
and put it back together. And all right, it will start in the sound.
If we could all air just one night, I too could survive the winter. Sorry. But none of the other
Okay.
Those are all the right answers.
Yeah.
Severance?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, your show is amazing.
Joe, quick, give me the book. And so, the squirrel decided to climb for his own nest.
All right. All right.
All right, now go to bed.
All right. Let's go end the video right here. It's been like last 2 years ago since the first new broadcast, new voice.
Hold on. Will you move out of the way? Don't let me, you're right in my way.
So, this is the end of the radio and TV required.
Scary stuff, scary stuff, scary stuff. Scary stuff, scary stuff, scary stuff. Scary stuff. Look, Peter can get this book into the hands of every kid in America. That's what you wanted, isn't it?
All right. Well, whatever you think is best for the book.
Great. So it's all agreed. Can't wait to work with you, Peter. What just happened? Oh, the bookstore closed. It is now returned.
On the far side of the carburetor.
Thank you for watching. There's Tally.
South Park. New episode tomorrow at 10 on Comedy Central and next day on Paramount Plus.
Welcome to last, so to speak. Exhaust off as well, that would be much easier actually.
Footlongs are packed with protein.
So many times. Float and whatnot. Old gasket looks a little eh. The last one I had last year was a 94. I think this is probably around the same year.
And that's it.
We'll see.
That's it. Go to bed.
So it's a 917.
It's time for ready for the upload.
Made 122 of 96.
Just drink it. How? Come on, Dad, just drink it.
This is Dutch's first robot voice. A new robot voice.
Red Bull gives you wings. But only if you drink it.
I can tell.
I don't know if I've seen the year or not, but if y'all want to guess before we look at the model number, anybody guess? The last one I had last year was a 94. I think this is probably around the same year. We'll see. So it's a 917. 76281 made 122 of 96.
TV white? It's not your fault. TV yellow in time. Just one kit of Crest 3D white strips reveals your widest smile for 12 months. Whoa! I know. Crest. These dishes just aren't getting clean.
The problem isn't the machine. It's likely your detergent. Really? Switching to Cascade Platinum Plus.
I love you, Mom.
These pods dissolve completely.
And I love you, Duchess.
Take off everything I need to take off in order to get to the gas tank and the carburetor. Alright, so go ahead and get the bowl nut off. Gasket. The bowl looks a little eh. Bowl gasket looks a little eh. It's okay. Well, the bowl gasket is going to seal properly for this to run properly. We'll see.
Excuse me, Mr. Chicago? Could you please sign my copy of your book?
Sure, easy there, Joe. Hot Rod asked for Mr. Chicago.
Y'all know my rule of thumb usually is if it becomes a card ain't working right.
All right.
Amy's coming back, get her alive!
That is it. This was August Robot's Voice. Human, not human, machine. Not real machine voice. Since 2 years ago, since 2023. What Soldani said?
Women wearing shoulder pads. New episode Sunday at midnight on Adult Swim. Next day on HBO Max.
We'll see you next time. Adios.
Did you just like a